guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie, and if you are a returning subscriber or a new viewer, thank you so much for coming to my channel today and joining us. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go, and make sure that you have your post notification bell turned on before you leave as well, so that you won't miss when I post another video. So it's still Vlogmas, okay? If you didn't know, now you know. It's still Vlogmas. So I've been holding out on making a luxury haul video for Christmas because I wanted to do a little bit of Christmas shopping for other people first before I just did my own little luxury haul or luxury shopping. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is a luxury shopping haul. Now, one thing for sure, two things for certain. Everybody's definition of luxury is different, okay? Everybody defines luxury as something different than the next person. Let's just go ahead and get right on into this haul. I love spoiling myself, so let's see the things that I got. The first item / items that I got, excuse my nails, is this Louis Vuitton bracelet. It's really cute. So it's got the little LVs on the gold there. Then it's got the LV on the lock hanging. Then it's got LV monogram all over the bracelet. I think this is super cute, super edgy and stylish. Show you on my wrist. I wear a lot of gold, so I feel like this would be perfect to wear with my other gold accessories. And it actually feels pretty secure. Oh wow, it feels very secure actually. It feels very secure on my wrist. It fits my wrist great. Wow, I love this. And then I also got another one. I actually ordered both of these from DH Gates. I wanted to grab 2 Louis bracelets because I just thought they were so cute and stylish. So then I got this one. This one just has the LV on the front. There's nothing hanging. Then it kind of looks like a belt buckle almost. And then it has the same button closure on the back here. And I won't try this one on because it's probably going to fit the same and it has the same closure. But that's that one. So cute. I'm still debating on if I want to give those away as Christmas gifts or not, but they're so cute and perfect. Moving on, I actually went to Sephora today. I just came back from the mall, and while I was there, you know, I wanted to see if there were any like the last minute Christmas deals, and I found one. So Sephora, they were selling their Wonderful Wishes. That's what it's called. They were selling their Wonderful Wishes eyeshadow palette for a great price. It was only $8, and it is a $54 value. And I believe that because when I was looking at the sample in the store, very much giving like Morphe, very much giving like high-end makeup vibes. So I was like, oh, for $8, I need to pick this up. This would be a good, like, perfect eyeshadow palette to keep in my purse. So this is what it looks like. Then you take the little band off. So cute. And then these are the colors that come with it. These are the colors. So you get 1, 2, 3 nudes. You get 5 sparkly colors, 2 of which could be very good for highlighters. These would be great for highlighters. These would be great for transition colors on the eye. And these would be great for eyeshadow colors on the eye. And I love this shade because it's like a bronzy red pink color. So it's going to complete so many looks, especially between now and Valentine's Day. That's the one right there. And y'all, the shadows, let me show you. The shadows are so buttery. I'm gonna have to use one of my nubs. The shadows are so buttery. That's what made me fall for them. Like, for example, let's swatch this one. It's such a buttery, oh, that is just, it's comparable to very expensive high-end eyeshadow. Look at that. Very buttery, very pigmented. I mean, just wow. That is so gorgeous. So I just picked this up. I treated myself while I was there. I was like, hey, I haven't bought an eyeshadow palette for myself, like a good quality eyeshadow palette for myself, in over a year. If you haven't watched my travel vlog when I went to New Orleans, I picked up some items from Sephora that weekend as well. So go check out that vlog because I picked up some great deals from Sephora and from the cosmetic company store. So I picked up this gray. It's like a basic gray, but what I love about it is, number one, it has shoulder pads, which, you know, I'm loving the shoulder pads this season. And then it has this really cute like tie detail, crisscross detail. Really, it's just like a little knot detail right there in the front. I love that. I love that about this shirt. So I love shirts that like gather, or dresses that gather right in the midsection. I think it's very flattering, very cute. So I got that from Rainbow. It was only $3. And I had to get it because it kind of looked like a shirt. It kind of looked like a shirt that I would get from Zara or something like that. So I had to get it. And speaking of Zara, dun 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 dun, what you guys have all been waiting for, I picked up the Ebony Woods perfume, or Ebony Wood perfume from Zara. I ordered it online for delivery and it got delivered to my house within 2 days. And I wanted to share, you guys. So this is the 1.35 fluid ounce bottle. And you guys, first of all, let's get into the quality. Let's just get into the box, the bottle, the label. Let's just get into it, okay? It's giving luxury for real. And I appreciate that because the price of this perfume was only $19.90, so about $26 with, you know, shipping and things like that. So everybody was going crazy on YouTube, like ranting and raving about how Ebony Wood smells good. And I would get on Instagram and, you know, influence people on Instagram as well. So people are posting about it there. And I'm like, oh my God, I have to try. Like, if all the girls say it smells good, it must smell good. I picked it up. It's actually a pretty nice size bottle. I must say the bottle is actually a very nice size. It is very much giving full size bottle, okay? And y'all, this smells so good. I wore it today so I can spray it again. Okay. So first of all, it smells so good because it's like a mixture of a perfume and a cologne. Okay, so that's the vibes it's giving. It's giving unisex. It's giving luxury, expensive. Now, if you don't know, this particular perfume, Ebony Wood, is from the Jo Malone Zara collaboration collection that they released as far as perfumes go. Y'all, I was really shocked that Jo Malone has their own perfume stand in Saks. Like, so that really just kind of like, it's almost like you're really getting that little bit of luxury from Zara. Like, you're really getting luxury perfume from Zara, and I love that. So I had to share that. And I know everybody's already been saying it, and I know you probably already know. But if you haven't gotten Ebony Wood from Zara, B, you is asleep. You need to get that. And then when I smell it, I smell so many different people. Like, it doesn't smell like an old lady. It smells like different people could wear it and rock it. So definitely try it out. Worth the price for sure. For sure worth the price, okay? If you was wondering if it was worth the price, for sure. And I definitely should have gotten the bigger one for $40. I also wanted to share with you guys another place that I consider luxury, which is Savage X Fenty. That is Rihanna's lingerie and underwear and pajama line. So I'm just gonna show y'all really quickly because I know y'all probably don't really care about bras, but I picked up 2 bras from her. These are called the Flocked Logo Unlined Bra. And this one is the sparkly one. I think they call it sparkly. See how it has like that sparkly effect? So cute, girly, and dainty. I can't wait to walk around in it with my matching panties, because I ordered some of the logo, I guess they call it flocked logo panties. So that's gonna go cute with them. And then I also ordered another bra. It's the same thing as that one, the flock logo Unlined bra, but it's not sparkly. It's just a simple all black and mesh bra. Yeah, so it fit me really good. I have to actually size up with Savage X on their bras. I never go with the same size that I would get from Walmart or Target or something like that. I always size up, and every time I've sized up, they have been perfect fit bras. One time I ordered from them, they were a little too small when I went with my regular size, and I had some spillage and I didn't like that. Last but not least, I stopped by good old H&M. I like H&M because they're more of like they're like a humble Zara, okay? Period. Anyway, so I had a sweater that I picked up from there while I was in New Orleans that was too big, so I took it back. And it was like a short sleeve sweater anyway. I didn't really feel like I was gonna get much wear out of it because it's a short sleeve sweater. So I had to do an even exchange. And when I went, I picked up these gray joggers. I haven't tried them on yet, but they're so cute. Like, now don't get me wrong, they are still giving me like Walmart sweatpants vibes, but you know, they feel really, really good. They have pockets. Wait, do they? Yeah, they have pockets, and they have the scrunched up part at the bottom, which I love that with sweatpants. I don't like sweatpants that don't have a scrunched bottom. Why are you not scrunched? Anyway, it has a functional drawstring, and I just love this color gray. I feel like it goes with any kind of sneaker. So yeah, that was an even exchange. The sweater I had was $8.99, and those sweatpants surprisingly were $8.99. So that's really all that I have for this haul, you guys. I know it wasn't really luxury like as a whole, but for me, okay, for me, all of that was luxury. H&M is like luxury. It's like a luxury store for me. Okay, it's literally, like I said, a humble Zara. Zara is a luxury store to me. Them prices are luxury, honey, period. Sephora is like luxury to me because it's like a little oasis when I go in there and shop. And then what else? Yeah, the Louis bracelets, I think those are so cute. I'll link those down below for you guys because the regular price ones are pretty pricey. So I'll link the ones I got from DH Gate probably in the comments. I probably put it in a pinned comment instead of in the description box. And yeah, y'all make sure you catch up on all my Vlogmases. We almost to the end. Like, it's Vlogmas day, what, 18, 19, something like that. So yeah, we getting real close, y'all. We getting real close to Christmas. So thank y'all so much for watching my video all the way to this point. I'll have links down below for what I can find for you. Make sure you hit that like button if you like fashion girl hauls, cheap clothes hauls, bougie on a budget hauls, all of that. Make sure you hit subscribe and the post notification bell, honey. That's beside the subscribe button. Press the bell beside the subscribe button so you will not miss out when I upload another video. You'll be notified. And comment down below whatever you want to comment. Tell me hi, tell me you like the stuff I got or you didn't, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. I love you, Lux babes. Bye.
Othello on the